Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Soul Sisters Kitchen. Today I am making chicken Angara and the ingredients for chicken Angara are here. The exact quantity of the ingredients you can go through the description box, that will be there below the video. So I'll just tell you the ingredients what I will be using. This is chicken. I have taken chicken. You can either use boneless chicken also for this, but I am taking chicken with bones. Then I am using some garam masala. This is coriander seeds, cumin seeds, star anise, black pepper, then cloves, red chillies dry, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and some ginger garlic paste. This is paste of almonds and cashew nut. I grinded it with very little water and make a fine paste of it. Then Kashmiri red chilli powder, fresh cream. This is yogurt, garam masala powder, then turmeric powder. This is tomato paste. I have made paste of 4 tomatoes with very little water. Then coriander, chopped green chilies, onions sliced, and this is orange and red food color. This is optional. I'll be also using some little nutmeg powder. So, and this is charcoal I'm taking to smoke the chicken Angara. That will do at last. That will be the last thing to do. So let's start on the recipe. First we will dry roast this garam masala and then make a fine powder of it. So let's start on. Bismillah. So I will dry roast this for just 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. I don't want the masalas to change its color. On the medium heat, just dry roast it for 2 minutes. I have made the powder of the garam masala which I had roasted before, and now I'll add this to the chicken. I'll also add some little coriander chopped, some green chilies, not all, some of them, then the ginger garlic paste, I will also add the paste of almond and cashew nut, then the yogurt, the food color, and some salt. I'll marinate this and I'll keep it in the freeze for at least 1 to 2 hours, and after that we will do the next process. I have mixed this well. Now I'll keep this in freeze for at least 1 to 2 hours. Okay, I have heat a wok. Now I'll be adding oil to it, and once it's piping hot, I'll add the whole garam masala which I have. When the oil was piping hot, I added some cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cardamom, and some black pepper cloves. Now I will add the onions. And I'll cook till it's in lighter color, like light pink color. Till then I'll cook the onions. Now you can see the color of the onions has changed. Now we'll add the tomato paste. I will also add the red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder. Turmeric powder. Garam masala powder. half a teaspoon of jaifal powder, and let this cook for like some time, so 5 to 10 minutes. Now all this while the flame was on medium heat, so after 10 minutes again I will simmer the gas on low and I'll cover and cook it for 5 more minutes. Now I'll uncover it. You can see oil is floating on the top. Now I'll add the marinated chicken to this, which I had marinated for at least more than 1.5 hours. Now as I have mixed everything well, so I'll cover and cook it on medium heat for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Once you mix the chicken, just check for the salt, because as you had added salt while marination, so if there is salt is needed, then only add it, otherwise there is no need of adding the salt. After 5 minutes, uncover and cook it for like till the chicken is wholly cooked on low to medium heat, and simultaneously side by side on the other gas I'm keeping the charcoal. I want to make it red hot, and then I'll keep it in the between of the either on a file paper or in a small bowl, and then I'll pour the butter on it. That will be the smoke for the Angara, chicken Angara. So now let it cook till the chicken is fully done. I have checked, the chicken is cooked now. You can see the oil is floating on the top. I'll switch off the gas, and now I'll keep a foil in between. I'll keep this piping hot. I'll put the butter on the top and just cover it. Let the chicken Angara absorb all the smoke. Once you keep the charcoal and you add the butter on the top, just cover and cook, keep it for like 8 to 9 minutes. After that you can uncover it. And please don't omit this process, because this is the main process. This has to be done in a chicken Angara. A smoky flavor is really needed in a chicken Angara. Now after 8 to 9 minutes, just remove this charcoal and the foil. Now I'll add the fresh cream, not much, but little, and I'll just mix it. This is the last process, and then it's done, alhamdulillah. I can smell the smoky flavor. So I'll just dish out and show you the final outcome. So this is the final result. I hope you like our recipes. Do subscribe our channel, and do try our recipes, give us feedback, and also like our Facebook page, that is Soul Sisters Delightful Food. And inshallah we'll come up with new recipes soon. Till then, masalam.